Lawyer is okay now.
If we don't have a case here, we have a right to sit down in the gallery.
Are you sitting down in the gallery now?
Yes, we are waiting for your judge. Gallery. This is the gallery of the justice, but in this case, I'm accused and I'm waiting for the judge.
Walked in and told him he's not supposed to be granted an interview in court.
How many of you have watched this particular video of Sowore challenging senior advocate of Nigeria in High Court? They are quoting Constitution. I want you guys to watch this video.
It is. Yes. It's a court of justice. We are discussing justice here.
No, not in the courtroom.
No, you can't tell us. No, if the judge comes back, that's fine. But while we are in court, as a participant in the court process, we can discuss the issue of justice in the press.
That's done outside.
It's done.
The courtroom must be respected.
It is respect for the courtroom to discuss what is happening in the court.
Outside.
No, there's no law
outside the courtroom.
There's no rule that says.
No,
there's no rule.
This place is a chamber of justice.
It is, and it's not meant for lawyers alone.
You are as a party.
Yes. No. I'm not a party.
Press conference in the court of
law.
No,
I am here.
Explain to me. I've never. I've practiced.
Yes.
For close to 3 decades. I've never seen it in the courtroom.
Yes.
You don't do that in the courtroom.
Well, sir,
you are a press center, sir.
You are a lawyer, huh?
Not only a lawyer, I'm a senior advocate.
Senior advocate of the masses. I am.
Well, I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria.
I'm senior advocate of the masses. I advocate for the masses.
So, gentlemen of the press, please, this is adult chambers. A court of justice is better you hold this thing outside the courtroom.
Sir, you cannot tell us you can't tell me you cannot tell me as a citizen of Nigeria and somebody was brought before this court that I cannot address the media while I'm waiting for the judge to come out of his chambers.
Do that outside the
No. You are waiting for the
Is there any law in Nigeria that stops
since I cannot talk in the courtroom while waiting for the judge.
The law that established
the court. Yes.
Says provide what must be done inside this court. Press conference. The Federal High Court Act.
What did it say?
And the Constitution of the Republic of Nigeria, which established 251, which established court, says the court must serve as a venue of justice, not press conference.
No, so press conference is not justice. Wait. It's press conference or me discussing what affects my well-being and welfare. Huh? Is not justice.
The university lecturers will bring their students here to come and teach.
Why not?
In the courtroom.
Don't you have students who...
Market woman will bring their students here to come and sell.
They sell things in this courtroom.
Inside the courtroom.
Yes. Maybe you want to buy something. I can show you where to buy kuli in this courtroom.
In this courtroom.
Yes.
Show it to me.
No, if you give me money, I'll go and buy it for you.
No, in the courtroom.
No. So, sir, I just think you are overdoing it. You are waiting for the judge, just as I'm waiting. Yes, you can't force me. You can't force me not to discuss my case in this room. Yes. You can't force anybody. Yes. You are insulting our intelligence by telling us that we cannot discuss our issue in the courtroom while we are waiting for a judge. But you are the ones who sit in court when DSS will stop you at the gate. The DSS will stop you at the gate. You can't say anything to the when the DSS takes over the Federal High Court gate. Have you ever spoken about it?
When they took over the gate,
when the DSS comes here and take over the...
Did they block me not to...
Oh, they don't block you because you are privileged. They blocked me to come attend to my cases. And you have never said a word when the DSS takes over your Federal High Court gate. But you want to come and intimidate Sowore? You are intimidating me. You are even insulting my intelligence because you are introducing yourself to me as a son. So what? I have sons too that defend me, and they know that when I come to court, I discuss my matter. I'm waiting for the judge, just like you are waiting for the judge. You are telling me you are ordering me out. I'm not in your living room, sir. We are in a courtroom. Even if we don't have a case here, we have a right to sit down in the gallery.
Are you sitting down in the gallery now?
Yes, we are waiting for your judge. This is the gallery of the justice, but in this case, I'm accused, and I'm waiting for the judge.
And this is the judge.
Yes. Why have you two gone to the DSS who take over the gate of the court to leave?
Yes.
So I'm surprised that you are worried about this.
Respect the dignity of the court, whether the judge is sitting or not.
Are you implying that the press conference disrespects the court?
Inside the courtroom, it
Are
does.
you implying?
It does.
How, sir?
It does.
Is that a law that you can put for us?
I'll give you to act. Go and check it. Go and read it.
But you're not
But he's also doing the same thing right now.
Yes, you're addressing the press, and I think you're also...
I'm telling you to go out.
In presence
No,
of
but
the camera.
you can't tell the press to go out.
Lawyer is okay now. Lawyer, you're in your office.
Because my matter, I'm waiting for the judge, just like you are waiting for the judge. You are telling me.
Sam walked in and told him he's not supposed to be granted an interview in court, and he explained to the son that he's been asked a question, so he wants to respond to it. The son started arguing with him and escalated the issue. Some of the lawyers under the son then came to me and they were talking. So I was like, the two bosses are talking, why don't you keep your cool? Let them talk. And one of them said, I'm very stupid, that he will slap me, I'm not a lawyer, he will beat me. And I was like, beat me for what? You want to intimidate me because you're a lawyer? And it's like, I can never be a lawyer. For heaven's sake, I was supposed to read law. Just that I had to read economics. I don't know why he's making it an issue that they are lawyers. That's it.
Now, the most interesting part in this particular video is the senior advocate trying to correct Sowore by doing the same thing that is using Constitution to fight against. He said the Constitution said you cannot have interview right inside the court. Now, in order to correct Sowore, he was not granting press conference, addressing the journalists inside the court. This is the same thing he was saying. Sowore, you don't have rights to talk to journalists, right inside the court, according to the Constitution subsection 51. Go and read it. Nigeria is a cruise nation. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this? Do you think Sowore is wrong to do this interview right inside the court while they are waiting for a judge? According to Sowore, I'm not trying to disrespect the court, but the judge is not here. Once the judge comes, then the law uphold himself. Then I can't do it. But until the judge comes, I have every right to express myself, the reason why I'm in the court. What are your thoughts? Do you think the other advocate is overdoing, giving himself the senior advocate of Nigeria? What do you also think about Sowore response that is the senior advocate of Nigerians in the streets? Anyway, I'm waiting for you guys in the comment section. Peace out.
David, picture. Exactly. Yes.
That is the release of his criminal record.
Yes.
There is a request FY that is actively being litigated. So they cannot claim that they don't know that it's a criminal when they are requesting
They know that case cannot be understand. You know what I told you?
That's why the frustration.
I say they will not.
You know, they file that they want to bring Reno Mockery.
Yes.
And then they will bring him.
Of course. They will not.
After Reno,
The witness we have.
After Reno go climb Kilimanjaro. Now this one we're going to say that the real Kilimanjaro will be this one. This one at Mount Everest. That one you can't survive this one. You can survive Kilimanjaro. But Everest, where we did.